Hey guys, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial where I want to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency Theta. This we're gonna do on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. At first you have to do the registration, therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click there, you will come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here in the menu on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some fiat money, so just do it by clicking here on verify and also on this verify button. If the verification process is done, you are able to deposit some money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit or credit card. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto. There you can deposit, for example, Bitcoin. Now that this is done, you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer, and if this is fine, you just click here on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use them and go into your online banking and do the bank transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive, and when the money has arrived you can start buying Theta by clicking here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. Here you can see all your cryptocurrencies and all your fiat money, and to be able to buy Theta we have to firstly buy Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy Theta. So therefore you just search for Bitcoin in this search bar and click on trade. Here you just choose your local currency which you want to use to buy Theta. In my case it would be euro, so I will click here on Bitcoin euro. Now you come to the trading view where you can buy Bitcoin. Therefore you just scroll down, click here on market order and type in how much money you want to invest in Bitcoin. In my case it would be, for example, 500 euro. Here you can see the amount you have in your Binance account. But you can also use this adjustable bar to use, for example, 50% of your euro net worth on Binance to buy Bitcoin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin. And now that the Bitcoin are in your spot wallet, you can use the Bitcoin to buy Theta by searching for it and then click here on trade and Theta Bitcoin. Here in the trading view you can now buy Theta with Bitcoin. Therefore you just scroll down again, click here on market order and decide how much money you want to invest in Theta. Here you can type in how much Bitcoin you want to invest, but you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your Bitcoin you want to invest in Theta, for example 50%. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Theta and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, don't forget to use the discount code and have a nice day. Bye.